There's a bird on the box that's on fire out here. I don't know why. Trying not to scare it off, guys. But it's like they don't care that the box is on fire and got all that smoke around it. This is weird.